Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and today I would like to show you where you can install Rosemary font on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down and choose Display section. Following that, scroll down again. Click on Font Size and Style. Go into Font Style and tap on Downward Fonts. Lastly, click on Rosemary 1 and tap on Install. Then log into your Samsung account and tap on Apply, or just select it from the list in your settings. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!